And today, me and my boys are super late. I'll see you when we get there. A little pit stop. Gotta get the snacks, You know where we at. Just dropped the G off for some tint. Y'all ain't even fucking ready for how this bitch is gonna look. Just got the word the tint's done. Guess who's here right now? You wouldn't even guess. I came down to Houston. I really didn't give no breakdown in the video, just a little vlog of what's up with the car. But we down in Houston. Who the fuck this is, bro? OG people, you know who this is. I'm with the gang, Homies just tinted the car. I'll show y'all how that shit came out right now. Oh, look at this shit. Windshield tint. Fucking, I got it at 35, 20, no, 15 in the back. 15 all around. This shit looks amazing now. Now I just need a carbon trunk and we'll be fucking set, right? If you didn't know I was painting my calipers green, let me show you how that shit came out. Purieta. You're boosted, right? Yeah, I'm boosted. This motherfucker's boosted now, bro. Hold on. Show me the car right now. Open the hood, dog. Here's the BRZ. A little bit different. How much? You said 432? 332. Actually, ours. Oh shit. Oh, alright. Oh, baby tell her she spools quick, huh? She does spool quick. Damn. Still the same as I remember. Oh, my car, bro. Get down. Let's see if he spins it right. Ah, hit that hoe. Nah, I'm playing. Damn, son. Damn. Update. Here's what the video's going on. We are literally chilling in Houston this weekend, so I'm gonna take y'all along for the ride, do a little bit of car things here and there. As you see, we already got the tint done. Looks fucking badass. My calipers are painted since like last week, and yeah, we're just chilling out here. I'm gonna take y'all along for a little vlog. I haven't posted in a couple days, so might as well do this, right? Waiting for tint in the calipers. What do y'all think? Hit that like button down below if you fuck with the build so far. Need to fix that headlight. I'll do that when I get back to the city. And I also got some different color lights for that. Stay tuned for that. We're gonna go check into this hotel somewhere near Westheimer. Not Westheimer, but West Park. Go chill over there. I'm gonna show y'all the little spot for the day, for the night. And then we're gonna go to Spire tonight, and I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Fuck it, right? Enjoy the vlog, y'all. All right, we're gonna see if this bitch sounds good. Este vato's out, and it's not even 9-way. Puñeta. Despierto? Nah, I'm playing. Fam over here chilling. This is the spot. Hella chill. No building view, but it's all good. Got some trees out there. Really, that shit. Sick boy vibes. Finna catch some food again, y'all. I know we're fat as fuck. Nothing has literally happened besides tint and food. But I promise it's gonna change right now. So this shit looks gonna be crazy. Fam, stay eating good. You know what we're doing. Bro. Look at this shit right here. don't know what the fuck's going on, but it's like a fucking house. This is it.
Hey, we're gonna do roll call real quick. So you better be with your school. We're gonna be loud, alright? You guys all out?
What's good, y'all? I'm at the park getting my son and shit. You know what I'm doing. So last night was fucking crazy. I hope you enjoyed the compilation that I got. There was a point where I just could not record anymore. I was fucking focused on the moment. Anyway, today's a new day. It's freaking beautiful once again. HTX weather, beautiful. I'm actually going to put the green fog lights on the G today. And I don't know if I'm gonna paint the headlights. I low-key want to smoke them just one light coat of that VHC, but my headlight is faded, so I don't know if that's gonna make it look like shit. So I'll figure it out eventually, but I'm gonna take y'all along for the process of adding some little details to the G. Let's get it. Also, after that, I'm probably gonna go wash it real quick, just like a quick wash, just so she looks nice and shiny in my city. You know what I'm saying? Y'all do not understand how clean this bitch looks today. I haven't even washed her yet, bro. We still need to do some work to her, but damn. Oh, I just fucking realized I still have the door for my G35, bro. She is fucking crazy, bro. I'm gonna show y'all the clip of this very soon. I forgot I even had this, man. That's low-key lit. So actually right now I got these fog lights on the G, right? There's two lights in the headlight. And the fog lights are yellow. They're like halogens. And I blew out a ballast trying to do some blue HIDs the other day. Today we're putting the green fog lights in and a new ballast. I got it right here. Now here's the thing. While I have the headlights off of the car, it's like, dude, do I really want to paint them hoes? Because like everything else on the car is smoked out. It's like dark tint, smoked out taillights, fucking everything looks clean, black wheels. And I'm like, man, I could really smoke the taillights while I wait to get some new ones. The ones I really want are like $800. They're like Morimoto with the LEDs. Actually, no, they're like $450. I want to get them hoes, but not right now, you know what I'm saying? So like, I don't know if I should paint them. I'll figure it out in a minute. Here's the ballast right here. Here's the PS4 right here. I don't know where the lights are. Are these in? Here they are right here. These are the lights. I got these for like $10. You already know what it is. Always got some shit going on at the shop. Face ass. I haven't showed y'all his build, bro. This shit is clean. Yo. We literally like switched, bro. It's a matter of business. I'm gonna take off the bumper and then get the headlights off. Pretty self-explanatory. Doesn't she look so fucking mean with her bumper off? She looks bad like that. Anyway, headlights. One bolt here, one under here, one on the side. Easy. It is off. I missed one bolt to tell y'all. It's at the top corner, so you're gonna have to peel this rubber lining off all the way back, and it's gonna be behind there. So let's get this bulb out right here. This is the fog light I'm talking about. And then change that shit out. It's gonna look insane. Old versus new. Ooh, I'm so excited to see this color. Let's put it on. There's a problem, bro. This shit's too small to fit this. Literally doesn't go in. So I don't know what I should do. Should I just cut it or just put the old shit back? I can't do the LED fog lights since the thing's too small. I'm gonna just swap the ballast right now on the right side. Easy shit. Ballast is pretty simple. 2 Phillips right here, 1, 2. 3 Phillips on the ballast. Take it out, switch it out, boom, you're done. All right, here's a new one. So, here's how you're gonna do this. You can't take the whole ballast out unless you take apart the whole headlight. So I'm not gonna do that. But I did take off the old bottom. All you gotta do is disconnect this and disconnect this screw, and of course the plug. Also, I lost a bolt somewhere in the engine bay. I don't know where it's at, but hopefully it doesn't fuck anything up. It's gonna work, 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 gonna work. Yes! It worked, it worked, it worked, it worked, it worked. Headlights back in action. What's up? Big body, boy. Big body. Let's see if this nigga hits another wheelie. Hey, this dude was hitting some wheelies, bro. I ain't gonna lie. There you go. Alright, you good. She sound nasty or whatever. As you can see, everything's put back together. I wish I could put the LEDs in, but I can't. I'll just find a halogen bulb. I'm pretty sure they make green ones. I'll find one. Well, there it is. Stadium. It's dance time, boys. I already saw the cultural stuff. Something crazy for that modern shit. I really wish I was dancing today, but I'm not. Maybe next semester. But nonetheless, I'm gonna capture these motherfucking angles for y'all. You feel me? She fucking killed it. My boy killed it with the angles. I killed it with the angles. Y'all ain't ready for this shit. Sorry, Julie, I'm about to expose you. Bruh. Just know this is making my night.